If something is going viral on the internet these days, it is definitely crochet rose blanket. I am not making blanket, instead I made the mug rug or coaster. Welcome to Hook to Knot. In this video tutorial, I am going to demonstrate how I made my version of crochet rose mug rug or coaster. I am going to use lemon color or light yellow color as base color. Roses will be in the pink and stem or leaf portion will be in the green color. I am going to use 3.5 mm crochet hook. I am using a pair of scissors and of course I will need a darning needle. Step number 1 is making the basic coaster. I have made 12 DCs in the magic circle. In the second line onwards, I have kept a distance of 1 chain in between all my clusters. So second line is 2 DC on a DC separated by chain, 2 DC chain, 2 DC chain. Third line is DC on DC and the increase in the last DC. I have maintained the pattern of increase only in the last DC so that the growth is uniform and the circle looks perfect. So I have stopped 5 DC and a cluster. Now what I need is to change the color. Just for your reference, let me tell you the stitch count. 12 DC in the magic circle, 24 DCs, so 2 DC on each DC separated by chain 1. So 24 DCs separated by chain 1. 36 DCs separated by chain 1. 48 DCs separated by chain 1. And 60 DCs separated by chain 1. When I am doing first line of SC all around, I am not leaving or skipping this chain 1 also. So total I will have 72 single crochets. Next line with the green color is chain 4, skip 2 and single crochet. Chain 4, skip 2 and single crochet. When we complete this circle, we will have 24 arches. So we will have 12 rose flowers because one I am going to make a rose, one I am going to leave it blank. Rose blank, rose blank. This is how I will proceed. So I will make total 12 roses around it. For making rose, make a moving knot. Attach it to any of the single crochets. Chain 1, single crochet in the same space. Now chain 12 or 14, whatever you choose as pattern for your rose flower. So I am going to chain 12. Skip 3, 1, 2, 3. In the fourth chain from the hook, make 2 DCs. The chain 3 that we have left serves as 1 DC. So we are having 3 DCs and we are going to make 3 DCs in each of the chains, and because we are having more stitches in one chain, we will develop a kind of a coil, and that coil we just need to roll it properly and stitch it as a rose. It's a very easy project, very interesting project, and aesthetically very beautiful project. I stay in this part of India where we don't have much of a cold, so I don't prefer to wear shawls. I don't mind mug rugs, coasters, or for that matter, I don't mind trying to make it earpod cover and the viral rose bag that is coming. I'm not going to make that full size rug. This mug rug can have more variety of flowers for the border. Soon I am coming up with the tutorial with different varieties. I am going to try sunflower and lily also. See this. I have developed a coil. Now I am just going to roll it properly and make it a flower. This is how it will look. I am going to chain 3. Slip stitch into the starting point or SC where we attach the yarn. Pull up a loop and cut the thread. I will stitch the base and I will not stick it. I will not use the hot glue gun. If you see, these are the big size openings of those chains where I made 3 DCs into each. These are good enough for stitching. This will hold it properly. I am going to make all the flowers in one go and then do all the final finishing, leaving long tails so that later on weaving in becomes easy for me. Let me show you for one more time how I make my rose. Make a moving knot. Skip one cluster, go to the next. Join the thread. I do my first stitch with the shorter tail. Then I will make one single crochet in the same space. Chain 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I will leave first 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. In the 4th chain from the hook, I will make 2 more DCs. Those 3 chains I am considering as first DC. So total I will have 3 DCs and I will start making 3 DCs in each chain. Because I am putting more DCs in one chain, the chain is sort of opening up, or the hole is becoming little bigger, and that's good for us because we will use it for weaving in the ends. Stitching the rows at base and weaving in the ends, it will help us. After making 3 DCs in the last chain, I am going to chain 3 and slip stitch into the starting single crochet. 1 2 3. This is my starting single crochet. I'll slip stitch here, pull up a loop and cut the yarn little longer. As I said, I will make all the flowers at one go and then later on do all the weaving in. This is how my coil looks. I just need to rearrange it properly to make it a flower. See. Likewise, I will finish. This is how our work will look when we have all roses done. Now I will show you how I do all the finishing work. For finishing, I have attached darning needle to both the threads, and first I will set the flower. Once I set the flower, I will start putting the stitches. Here, please ensure you cover as many times as you can the stitches in base. That will give strength to the flower. I will say 3-4 stitches by each thread should give enough strength. Then I will knot the ends and go in the flower. I am going to pull up the thread inside the flower and have one more round of knots. Now I will do final finishing with help of glue gun, then snip off the remaining thread and my flower will be ready. See, right now you will see all the threads are inside the flower. Now I will use the glue gun. Because I am about to use the glue gun, first thing is that I will remove the tablecloth and then start the work. and my mug rugs are ready. I have also done some modification and created a mug rug with leaf finish. You will see this video being premiered on my YouTube channel tomorrow, that is on 2nd May 2025. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these mug rugs together and put them in the pot. So my little flower bouquet is ready.